color-loving friends. My name is Layla.
And my name is Adam.
And today, we're gonna do a simple art project. What you need is some
Bubble wrap.
cut into these tiny circular pieces. They can be big or small. We chose medium size. A piece of paper, some paint of your choice, and of course, a paintbrush. Oh, wait, I forgot one more thing. Your creative mind, of course.
Can we just get on with the video?
Okay, fine, Mr. Bossy. Okay, take a piece of the bubble wrap and choose a color. I'm gonna choose pink. Hey, Adam, the video's still going. Come on, choose your color. Don't put too much, but don't put too little either. I need a little more. Oh, maybe a lot more. Okay, it's starting to, but not totally. I wonder what color we can do next. What's your favorite color? Do you like colors? Because I love them. And this art project is so simple, you can find the materials at home with these packages. Who knew bubble wrap could come in handy? I think that's enough. We'll see.
Oh, mine doesn't look that good.
If you put too much, then it won't work.
Just like I... Oh.
This can be a flower or a tree. Don't press too hard either. Press lightly. Maybe I need to put one more touch. Okay. Let's see if I can fit another one. Sometimes these guys have a mind of their own and they don't follow our directions. Don't press too hard or it'll become like this one. Oh, you're not listening to me. Now look at what will happen. You can experiment with colors. Our next color? Oh, I think my next color should be blue. Blue goes with pink, right?
Maybe, maybe not. Who knows?
Hey, I wasn't asking you. Adam, now you're just plain silly with your bubble wrap. But you can be silly with yours too.
Wait, where did my second go?
Who knows?
Here it is.
Oh yeah, sometimes they go missing because they're see-through. Okay, this one has to be circular. It should not get a mind of its own. Okay, let's see. And splat! It got a mind of its own again. But it's okay, we don't have to be perfect, and we can make cool stems for flowers or trees. And since trees and flowers aren't usually like this, that means we're in a magical world all of a sudden. I'm gonna draw a blue stem.
Since we're in a magical world.
Another blue stem for this one. And you guessed it, for this blue one, it's gonna be a pink stem. I just need some paint. And if you want to add an extra little pinch, then put some glitter.
Hey, let me try.
What? Hey, that was my glitter. Oh man. Hey, those colors look like the American flag.
I just need white.
And another cool thing that you can do is you can pat this, and then there are little dots. They kind of look like stars. Whoa. I'm bouncing up and down. Yikes. This is fun. Let's try another color.
I'm bouncing up.
Don't worry, you won't hurt the brush. Oh, am I getting paint all over me? I once tried this in school and my face was covered in paint. My friends were looking at me and my glasses were covered too. And I'm like, what? Who knew this could be so messy? Good thing we have these aprons. These are aprons.
You're very funny.
Now we'll wait for it to dry and the magic is unleashed. The magic of creativity. And you can add whatever you want. It's just even better when you add your own creative touches. Well, Adam, yours definitely became a little creative. These look like duck footprints. But this video is a little longer than I thought. Maybe we should say goodbye to all of our creative, colorful friends. And see you on the next episode.
Don't forget to subscribe.